Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. So, I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. In last session, what we have studied? We have started our one new concept, rounding numbers. Let me revise quickly. Just look at here. Do you remember? I have shown you this picture in the last session. Here what they have said, 9,000 people watched the match on Sunday. The reporter, she is saying one report about the match, that on last Sunday 9,000 people watched. Do you think exactly 9,000 people watched? Might be the actual number is 8,721 or the number is 9,211. Okay, so might be, but what she have done, the reporter has taken the number 9,000. This is what rounding number. This number lies between these two number. Okay, I have shown you the example of hill. Do you remember? I have drawn last time one hill like this. Even I have explained you with the number line 1 to 10. Okay, let us solve some examples. Okay, one by one. So the question is here, see the page number 14. The question is rounding to the nearest tens. Consider the number 28, 113 and 285. Let us learn how to round these numbers to the nearest tens. Keep in your mind, we are just seeing about the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest tens. Okay. The first example, can you see here? Yes, just see. Now 28 lies between 20 and 30. It is nearest to 30 than to 20. And so we can round it to the 30. Now we have to find out where 28 lies. Now 28 number lies between 20 and 30. Okay. Now when it lies 20 and 30 in between, now can you see where is 28? Whether it is near to 20 or 30? It is near to 30. So we have to round up this number to 30. And the second thing is, now here you can see, here is 2 in tens place, here is 3 in tens place. Now here is 0 and 0. So 0 after, just assume that the numbers are like this. Okay, and the 10, this one. Now do you remember in the last session what I said? If the number is 5 and after 5 it comes, you have to go with the largest number only. If the numbers lies like 4, 3, 2, 1, you have to go to this number, that is 20. If suppose they had given 22, where is 2? Here, 22 will come. Okay, so 22 lies, 22 nearest number is 20. If suppose 24, that also 24 nearest round number is 20 only. Okay, if suppose only 25 is there, so the 25 we can round it to the 30. And after 25 whatever numbers are coming, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. No, not about 30. If these numbers they will ask what is the near to this number, so we can round to the 30 only. Okay, we have to round to 30 only. Understood? Clear? Once again I will repeat. See, the question is 28 lies between 20 and 30. it is nearer to 30. You can see 28 is near to 30. So than 20. 20 is very far from 28. So we can say that we can round it to 30. Are you getting, students? Now let us explain one more example for you. Now let us see. Now we have seen about tens, nearest to tens. Now we are going to see the 100 place. The number is 113. Now we have to see what is the nearest to 113. Now you can see in this picture 113 lies between 110 and 120. How? See, this is just numbers. You just think 113 is there. So what will come 113 before? Are you getting? In the same way. Okay? And 113 after 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. So the 113 lies between 110 and 120. So we have written in this way, in a number line. Okay? So now see, where is 113? It is near to 110 or 120. You can see it is near to 110. So we have to round it to the 110 only. Okay? Are you getting? Yes, very easy. So we have seen now the nearest to tens, nearest to hundreds. Let us see one more example, that is nearest to 1000. Okay? Now see the thousands question. The question is 2185. Okay? Now this 2185 lies midway between 2180 and 2190. Okay? So it is exactly in the middle. In the middle. Okay? You can see 5. It is exactly in the middle of 2180 and 2190. When the middle one comes, in that case we have to round up to the 2190 only. Okay? As I have said you, 5 or more than 5 is there, you have to round up with the largest number only. That is next. So here you can say that 2185 we can round up to the 2190. Understood? If it lies in a midway, in that case you have to take 2190 only. Understood? Now what we have observed in this 3 question, when we round a number to the nearest one, we round it to the multiply of 10 nearest to it. See what they are saying, when we round a number to nearest to 10, we round it to the multiply of 10 nearest to it. Now see, now this is ones place and tens place. Okay? Now we have to see the next. The next is 8. So 8 will come nearest to in the 30 only. So 28 rounded number is 30. Okay? A number which is midway is always rounded up. So midway number we have seen in the thousands example. If it lies between exactly in a midway, so we have to go with the next number, that is 2190. I hope you understood. Now let us solve one interactive activity. What is the question? Rounding off. Round off 143 to the nearest 100. Nearest to what they are asking, that is very important. So 143 example. Now we have to find out nearest to 100. Now see where is 100 place. 100 place 1 is there. So write 1 as it is. How many digits are remaining? 2. So give 2 zeros. 100. 100 after 200. Okay. So the 143 lies between 100 and 200. Why? Because they are asking nearest to 100. So that's why. Now can you tell me, now see 143. What is the midway number will come? 150. 100 and 200 between 150. Do you remember the hill? Let me remember once again. So we have to find out 143. So write 1 as it is, 2 digit, write 20, 1 after 200. Okay. So 100 and 200 between what will come? 150. Okay. I'll write downside. 150. Now just imagine where it will come. 143 somewhere here. Okay. Now can you tell me where it will go? It will come down to 100. Okay. So when the car is here in the midway, it goes this way to 200, but car is this side, so it comes to 100. So what is the correct answer? 100. Okay. Let us check whether our answer is correct or no. 100. Press done. Good work. So our answer is correct. Understood? Let us move to the next some examples. See the examples. Example number 1. Round 3764 to the nearest 10. Very important. Read the question properly. Nearest 10. Now we have to find out this number to the nearest 10. Now see, 3764 is between 3760 and 3770. How? See the tens place. Where is tens place? Here. You can see tens place. Okay. Just tens place after what is there? 4 is there. Just imagine about both the digit. Okay. So I will write this 2 digit as it is. 64 before what will come? Rounding number 60 will come, and 64 after rounding number will come 70. Okay. So you can see this number lies between 3760 and 3770. Now we have to find out which is nearest to 3764. Can you see the number? Where it is? For example, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now this is the midway where it will come 3765. So do you remember, if 5 and more than 5 is there, will go to the next number, and if 5 before whatever numbers are there, that lies near to 3760. So the number is 3764 is near to 3760. So the rounding figure is 3760. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now let us see one more example. Okay. Example number 2. Example number 2 is round 2548 to the nearest 10. Same question. Nearest 10. First find out the tens place value in this number. This is ones, this is 10. tens. What is in tens place? 4. See, the next number is 8. Take the both the numbers together, 48. So here I will draw one hill for you. Okay, it is very interesting. So the number is 2548. So I will write 25 as it is. 48 before rounding number is 40 and 48 after rounding number is 50. Okay, and the middle number what will come? 2545. Now we have to find out 48. Now see where it goes. 2540, 2545 after 46, 47, 48, somewhere here. Okay, you can see. So where it will go, this car? Just think where it will go. Yes, automatically it goes down. Yes or no? Yes. So the rounding of this number is 2550 because 2548 is nearest to this 2550. See this. It is nearest to 2550. So the rounding figure is 2550. Clear? Very easy. Okay. Move to the next question. That is example number 3. Now look at here. What numbers can be rounded to 130? This is something different. What is the question? What numbers can be rounded to 130? So see here, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. These are the before numbers of 130. And 130 after comes 131, 132, 133, 134. So can be rounded to 130. Are you getting? So if they ask to write what numbers can be rounded to 130, so we have to take before 4-digit number, that is 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, and after that, in how we can round up to the 130? Yes, now I will show you how. Okay, now question is 130. We have to see how many numbers can be rounded to 130. Now 120 and 140 between lies 130. Okay, if suppose I have written here, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Just imagine 130 after 131, 132, 133, 144, 145. Okay, and here see 121, 120 after 121, 122, 3, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. Okay, here also same. I am writing in short because space is not there, but I hope you are getting it. See, 130 lies between 120 and 140. We have to write the numbers can be rounded to 130. So if we want to round to 130 only, how many numbers we can take? See, if suppose here what is there? 135. If 135 comes, 135 is nearest to 140. Yes, 135, and after 135 whatever numbers come, it goes to nearest to 140. So we cannot take 135 after these numbers. So what are the numbers are remaining here? 131, 132, 133, 134. And if I comes to here, if suppose here 125 is there, not suppose, actually it is there 125. I have written in shortly. See, these are the 120 to 125. if 125 numbers comes where it is nearest to 120. Yes students, I hope you remember we have learned in the before examples. Okay, so we cannot take these numbers also, whatever comes 125, because it is nearer to 120. So what are the numbers are remaining here? 125 after 126, 127, 128, 129. You can see 125, 25 itself also, sorry, here, sorry, 125 itself to 130. 125 is nearest to 130. So the numbers are 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. And after 130, how many numbers we can take? Till 134. Why we cannot take 135? Because 5 or more than that numbers, 135 is nearest to 140. Okay? And here, why we have taken this 5 numbers? Because 125 before numbers will nearest to 120, and 125 itself and 125 after that number is nearest to 130. Understood? Yes? Yes, very easy. Now we will take another example. Now same way we are going to see some examples. Rounding to the nearest 100. The question is, consider 186 on the following number line. Now 168. Now see, 168 lies between 100 and 200. See, we are solving this question nearest to 100. Okay, so just underline the 100 place. 1 stands 100. So what is 100 place? 1. So I have written 1 as it is. How many digits are remaining? How many digits are remaining? 2. So I have written 20. Okay. So 100 after, next is 200. So 168 lies between 100 and 200. So now can you tell me this number is nearest to? As you can see in the number in this line, this number is nearest to 200. Now see, 100 and 200 between 150 will come. So the number is 168 is 150 after. So automatically this number is nearest to 200 than 100. So we round it to 200. Understood? Clear? Yes. Let me explain you the next example on page number 15. Open the page number 15. Let us see. Now, the example is about thousands place. Not thousands, sorry, 100 place only, nearest to 100 only. The question is 2456. This is the question. Okay, just see, nearest 100 we have to find out. So in that case, first find out the 100 place value. Where is 100? 1 stands 100. On 100 place, what is there? 4 is there. Okay, 4 after both the numbers are 56. So 4 is there, means 400. Okay, so I have written 2 as it is, 4 as it is, and here 2 zeros, 400. Now automatically 400 after will come 500. So this number 2456 lies between 2400 and 2500. Now we have to find out this number is nearest to this or this. Now what will come in between 2400 and 2500? Between comes 2000. Yes students, 4050. This is the between number, midway number. So you can see 2450 after 2456 will come. So it is nearest to 2500 than 2400. So now we round it to the 2500, which is nearest to hundreds. Okay, understood till here? Shall we move to the next question? Yes, we are just saying the nearest to 100 only. Keep in your mind, 100 only we are saying. The third example, the question is 2450. Now we have to find out 2450 lies between 2400 and 2500. Same question like last time. Last question was what it was? They had given 2456. Now 2450. Okay. So let me tell you once again. 100 place 4 is there. 400. So 2400. 400 after 500. So 2500. Now what is the midway number of this both? Let me write first. 2400. 2500, 400 and 500 between 450 will come. So 2450, 450. Okay, 100 place. Now see 450, 450. Now you can see the number 2450 is a midway number. It lies between 2400 and 2500. But when it comes to midway, it is nearest to 2500 only. So we round it to the 2500. Understood? Clear? We'll move to the next. Now what we have observed in this example, that what we have observed in this question, when we round a number to nearest 100, we round to the multiply of 100 nearest to the numbers, and a number which is midway is always rounded up. We have seen here midway number, we'll round it up only, not down. Okay, we'll go to the up. This is up, this is down. Okay, thus all numbers from 2450 to 2499 and from 2501 to 2549 are rounded to 2500. This is very important. Now see, all the numbers from 2450 and to 2499 till here comes. Okay, and from 2501 start from here to 2549, means before 2500, 550. These all are rounded to 2500. Are you getting what I mean to say? We have seen in the first example rounded numbers of 130. So previous numbers and after numbers, up and down numbers. In the same way, in 100 place, the number lies between the rounded numbers near 2500 are 2450 to 2499, and the next is 2501 to 2549. Okay, you can see here 2500. Yes students, you can see here 2500. Before that, till where we can take 2450 to 2000. Here see, when it will start 2450, here it complete 2499, and after that start here 2501 to 2549, and next is 50 will come. So after 50 whatever numbers will come, that is round to next up number, that go to 2600. So we will not take next number, okay. So before that only we will take, and here it comes near 2450, because if suppose if I go to 2450 is there, so here 49, these all numbers will lie to 2400, okay, rounded to 2400. So we will not take 2400, 49, 48 we will not take. So it start from 2450 to 2499 and 2501 to 2549. Clear till here? Yes students? Clear? Now remaining, now in the next session we will see the rounding to the nearest thousand. Till now we have seen the rounding to the nearest 100. I hope you understood well. Once again try to practice in a rough book nearest rounding numbers, whatever example I taught till now, okay. So we will see in our next section nearest to 1000. So what is your today's home assignment? Just practice the given example in the canopy, page number 14 and 15 and 16. In 16 we will start nearest to 1000, and let us solve in our next session exercise 1.9. Till that time, bye bye, take care.